today it is a very great pleasure day, and because of that you are joining the degree college education graduation, और हम सबकी यही शुभकामना है कि तुम्हें इसमें भी सफलता मिले। उम्मीद है मैं कि तुम आगे भी ऐसे ही सफलता हासिल करते रहोगी। एक माता पिता के लिए सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि ये होती है कि उनकी संतान अच्छी एजुकेशन पाए और दुनिया में नाम रोशन करे, अपने घर का, समाज का, परिवार का, देश का नाम रोशन करे। तो हमारी एक बार फिर से ये शुभकामना है कि तुम अपने टारगेट को अचीव करो।
हमारे यहाँ 2002 में एक नन्ही परी का आगमन हुआ था। देखते ही देखते इतना समय निकल गया कि पता भी नहीं लगा, और वो ग्रेजुएशन ज्वाइन करने जा रही है। हमारी यही शुभकामना है कि वो ज़िंदगी में हमेशा आगे आगे रहे और उन्नति पाए। बाय अनिका।
तुम्हें बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। तुम मेरी यही विश है कि तुम दुनिया के हर कदम पे सदैव कामयाब हो, जिंदगी के हर एग्जाम में सदैव सफल हो। मेरी यही दुआ है बेटा।
Hello Anika, wishing you all the best for your college life. Take care of yourself, fulfill your dreams. Remember one thing, do whatever you want to do, but always share with your papa, mommy and family. Don't involve in any activity which you can't share with your family and parents. Wishing you all the best. Good luck. Take care.
तुम कॉलेज जा रही हो, अपनी पढ़ाई का पूरा ध्यान रखना, पूरे कॉलेज में मस्ती करना, घूमना टहलना और एंजॉय करना, पढ़ाई का पूरा ध्यान रखना।
हेलो बेटा अनिका, कॉलेज जाने वाली हो, बड़ी हो गई हो, है ना। 2 लाइनें बोलना चाहूँगी तुम्हारे लिए। हर कामयाबी पर आपका नाम होगा, आपके हर कदम पर दुनिया का सलाम होगा। मुश्किलों का सामना हिम्मत से करना, उम्मीद है एक दिन वक्त भी आपका गुलाम होगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक बेटा।
अनिका बेटा, अब तुम कॉलेज लाइफ स्टार्ट करने जा रही हो। तुम्हारे सामने बहुत से चैलेंजेस आएंगे, लेकिन तुम्हें इससे घबराना नहीं है, क्योंकि इंसान वही है जिसका चुनौतियों से नाता है। हर पल अपने सफलता की ओर कदम बढ़ाता है। यूं ही नहीं करता ज़माना उसकी वाहवाही, बधाई उसे तभी मिलती है जब वो वक्त से जीत जाता है। जल्दी तुम्हारे लाइफ में ये टाइम आए जब तुम अपने वक्त को जीत लो और सारा संसार तुम्हें बधाई दे। गॉड ब्लेस यू बेटा।
All the best Anika, may you reach at great heights. God bless you.
And congrats and all the best. Have a great year and great.
Tell me what subjects you tell me what extra subjects you have, or if you just didn't want to know.
Okay. All the best, Anika. Enjoy. This is the best time of your life. College, a little bit of independence. So try things out. Once again, great going. Bye.
Hi Anika, congratulations beta. Wishing you lots of success as you begin your new journey.
Hey Didi, we are wishing you all the very best to take on the challenges in this new journey.
In the good and bad times, I'm sure that you'll have no issues going through it. Whatever you have, just make sure to get the best out of it and prove yourself. Once again, a very good luck for a little hard but a fascinating journey.
Hello Didi, I wish you all the happiness, success, joy in life, good luck and tons of best wishes.
Yes, यूं ही हासिल करो सफलता, एक दिन तुम इतिहास रचाओ, पार करो हर बाधा को, सारे जग पे तुम छा जाओ. All the best.
All the best.
Bye.
Congratulations, my dearest Anika ji, on being a graduate. As for your future is concerned, we are sure you are going to make it a successful one. Bye bye, take care.
Hi Anika, congratulations on your graduation and best wishes for your next adventure with lots of love and pride today and always. Love you.
Hi my pretty princess Anika. This video is exclusively for you. We all are very amazed that you have grown up so fast. इतनी छोटी सी आपका याद है, ये हमेशा मेरे वॉलेट में रहती है. And now you're taller than me, so beautiful, बहुत समझदार and very sincere child. Although you speak so less, but still you are very much close to my heart, and I have very sweet memories of your childhood when you were just 6 months old. So जब भी गोदी में लेती थी तो अपना मुंह मेरे यहाँ लगा के गा गा करके अपना सारा फूफू मेरे मुंह पे लगा देती थी. और आज इतनी बड़ी हो गई है अनिका कि कॉलेज जाने वाली है. That's really a big thing for us actually. I really wish you good luck. Whatever you want to do, you just give your best. Fix your goal and do your studies sincerely. मस्ती भी करनी है because without मस्ती तो college life is not complete. So enjoy your new journey of college and make us proud as always you did in past. So I love you so much and बहुत सारी मेमोरीज हैं. ज़बरदस्ती जब मैं यूएस आई थी तो ज़बरदस्ती अपना मेकअप कराना, अनिका प्लीज़ आई मेकअप. सो ऐसे लगता है वाओ कितनी बड़ी हो गई है अनिका, लाइक हमारा मेकअप करेगी. जब 3 इयर्स का बर्थडे था तो मैंने तुम्हारा मेकअप किया था. जब तुम 3 इयर्स की कंप्लीट हुई थी और तुम्हारा बर्थडे हमने इंडिया में बनाया था. और मुझे आज भी वो तुम्हारा लिपस्टिक मिक्स करना याद है. मौसी अब ठीक है, मौसी चूड़ी ऐसे कर लूँगी, ऐसे गिरेगी नहीं. आई लव यू मेरा बच्चा, आई रियली लव यू. टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस यू, डू बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय.
और ये वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर अनिका, माय लिटिल स्वीट डॉल, है ना. आज पता मैं एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ तुम लोग को. मेरे पास एक छोटा सा प्रैम है जिसके अंदर छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं उनको घुमाया जाता है शाम को इवनिंग वॉक में, या जब वो रोते हैं तब भी, है ना. मैं वो प्रैम दिखाता हूँ. उस प्रैम में जो बेबी है ना, मैं उसका नाम बताऊँगा क्या नाम है. देखो ये मेरे पास हार्ट शेप का एक प्रैम है और इस प्रैम के अंदर जो बेबी डॉल है, धीरे से दिखाता हूँ मैं, उसका नाम अनिका है. अनिका, है ना. ये है छोटी अनिका जिसको मैंने पहली बार आईजी इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पे देखा था जब वो यूएसए से लौट के आई थी. लौट के नहीं आई थी, मतलब फ़र्स्ट टाइम आई थी दीदी के साथ. तब वो पहली बार मुझे मिली थी तो इतनी छोटी सी थी, इतनी क्यूट थी, लेकिन ये फ्लावर नहीं था उसके बगल में। उसके बगल में जो था ना वो मैं तुम लोग को दिखाता हूँ क्या था। वो पता क्या था? उसके बगल में जो चीज़ रखी थी छोटी सी, वो थी ये दूध की बॉटल, मिल्क बॉटल। देखो कितनी क्यूट है, ऐसी छोटी सी बॉटल थी, उसके बगल में ऐसे रखी हुई थी और बिल्कुल ऐसे डॉल की तरह हम लोगों को वॉच कर रही थी। फिर धीरे धीरे समय बीतता गया, बहुत सारा समय बीत गया। फिर वो थोड़ी बड़ी हुई। बड़ी होने के बाद क्या हुआ, जब वो थोड़ी बड़ी हुई तब तो वो हमसे बात करती थी। अब वो थोड़ी बड़ी, मैं बताता हूँ कितनी बड़ी थी। तब वो थोड़ी बड़ी इतनी बड़ी थी, तब वो ऐसे हमसे बात करती थी, वीडियो कॉल पे, फ़ोन पे, हर तरीके से जैसे भी दीदी हमसे बात कराती थी। तब वो इतनी बड़ी थी, ऐसे उसके छोटे छोटे पैर थे, छोटे छोटे हाथ थे, है ना। और फिर क्या हुआ, फिर वो अनिका ऐसे गायब हुई, धीरे से चली गई। फिर बहुत सारा टाइम बीच में बीतता चला गया, बीतता चला गया। देखते देखते बहुत सारे साल बीत गए, लेकिन पता ही नहीं चला इतना लंबा समय कैसे बीत गया। अनिका, बड़ी वाली अनिका आ गई। अब ये इतनी बड़ी हो गई कि ये मेरे सर से ऊपर जा रही, देखो है ना। इसको नीचे करूँगा तो इसके पैर कट जाएंगे, इसलिए ये है बड़ी अनिका, जो कि आज अपनी हायर एजुकेशन स्टडीज़ के लिए जा रही है पढ़ने कॉलेज में, है ना। आई होप कि अनिका बहुत अच्छी स्टडीज़ करेगी हायर एजुकेशन के अंदर। आई होप कि वो सब कुछ उसको मिले जो वो चाहती है अपनी हायर एजुकेशन स्टडीज़ के बिहाफ पे, है ना। और हमारी भी यही बेस्ट विशेष शुभकामनाएं उसके साथ है, और दीदी जीजू का सपोर्ट है। बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, अदरवाइज़ वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, है ना। बेस्ट ऑफ लक अनिका, गोइंग फॉर योर हाई एजुकेशन स्टडीज़, ठीक है। जीजू, मैं एक वो फ़नी बात बताने वाला था आपको, मैं भूल गया स्टार्टिंग में बोलना भी बताया था। देखो, मैं आपकी कंपनी का ऐड भी कर रहा हूँ, ये वीडियो बना के मैं गोजो कैप की टी शर्ट को पहन के एक ऐड भी कर रहा हूँ आपका, ठीक है। तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करना। ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर।
Hello Anika, congratulations, you have completed your graduation, grown up girl now. कितनी छुटकी सी थी अनिका, really grown up girl now. It is not an end, journey has just begun, you know, challenges are yet to come. Good luck and tons of best wishes. God bless you in whatever you do. I know you will keep making us proud always. Best of luck.
You are an amazing, dedicated student, and I am sure you will achieve great success this year as a college student. Many challenges are coming, but I know you can handle them all. Make sure you have time for your family and friends and your younger sister too. And it might not seem obvious, but throwing yourself into your studies will pay off in big ways down the line. So make sure you knock it out of the park, which I know you will, but don't miss the fantastic lifelong. I wish you the best of luck this year, but you won't need it. Just try hard, stay focused, and you have got this. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hey Anika, good evening beta. I came to know that you are going to join your college very soon. Very many congratulations to you first of all for the completion of your graduation. And now the time which you are going to live, this is the time that everyone used to dream for his or her college life. हर कोई सोचता है that I'll go to college and I'll do this, I'll do that. So you do whatever you have planned for in your college life. Okay beta, don't miss all those things. Just do everything that you have planned for your college life, because this is the time which will not come back and you will regret throughout your life. So enjoy and be fully full of entertainment, full of fun, and use your every second. Okay, a lot of congratulations to you. And now you need to take your every step very carefully, and you have to enjoy also. So beta, all the best to you. My wishes, my support, and all the blessings of the words are with you. Enjoy your day, girl, and meet me soon. That you have promised me to give me a chicken tikka of your hand. Okay, bye.
Hi Anika. Many congratulations and all the very best. From Masi and Masaji, take care of yourself and do well in your future. Correct? Keep it up. All the best.
Hi Akka. Okay, I will not start from congratulations. I know that already fed you up. Let's start from a good luck and all the best wishes to you. This is the new time. This is the new beginning that you are going to be in. You'll meet a lot of new people. You'll explore them and you'll explore your skills. You'll explore learnings. Everything will be new. Just embrace all of it and just remember that you are there for learning. Okay, so this is the time when you have maximum resources and you can utilize them for your learning. This is the time which will decide your future. This is the time which will be remembered by you for all of your life. So make sure that you have the memories in that time also. So let's talk about the fun part. This is the time when that you will remember all of your life for fun, for entertainment, because this is your young age. Okay, so make sure that you make it happen and enjoy every bit of it. Just live in the moment and yes, that's it. All the very best. You are a sweetheart since always, and you are a very sensible girl. You are a brave girl. We all know that. So yes, go for it.
Hi Akka, wish you a very happy college life ahead and congratulations on you in college. You were so small when I saw you first time and it's a big day for you and I'm sure that you will make us proud. Miss you and love you.
अरे बोलो हाय हाय मौसी कह दो हाय मौसी
Hello Anika. Good to hear that you are entering in your college life where you can experience and experiment so many new things. So do good to achieve your future goals. All the best for your upcoming new phase of life.
Hi Anika. So happy to hear that you are entering into a new phase of your life, which is nothing but a good adventurous place where you are going to experiment so many new things. And as you are experiencing so many new good things, do concentrate on your studies. It's always good for you to develop in your career. So all the best as you are going to be the first time into college. Enjoy this time.
Hello Anika, congratulations. May you succeed in every aspect and every phase of your life. Once again, congratulations Anika Mausi from Prajna.
Hi Anika, how are you? Wishing you a very happy college life ahead and all the best, do well and all the best Marcy from IU as well, all the best.
Hi Anika, so finally you're going to start your college life, which is a very important part of anyone's life.
I hope you find success in every walk of your life. But yeah, don't forget to enjoy your college life. Okay, bye. Have fun.
Hi Nika Didi, warmest congratulations on your graduation. Bye, I love you.
Congratulations, Anika Didi. Enjoy your college life. Be happy.
Hello Anika, many congratulations. I wish you a very happy and exciting college life ahead. Have fun.
Hey Anika, I'm going to sing a song for you from one of your favorite movies, Dil To Pagal Hai. Hope you like it. अरे रे अरे ये क्या हुआ, मैंने ना ये जाना, अरे रे अरे बन जाए ना कहीं कोई अफसाना, अरे रे अरे कुछ हो गया कोई ना पहचाना, अरे रे अरे बनता है तो बन जाए अफसाना, हाथ मेरा थाम लो साथ जब तक हो, बात कुछ होती रहे बात जब तक हो, सामने बैठे रहो तुम रात जब तक हो, अरे रे अरे ये क्या हुआ मैंने ना ये जाना, अरे रे अरे बन जाए ना कहीं कोई अफसाना, अरे रे अरे ये क्या हुआ मैंने ना ये जाना, सदके मैं जावा मेरे दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरे दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो, तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, तू सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, है जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो. This song is dedicated to you Anika. May you have a bright future. All the best.
Hi Anika Beto, lots of love from your Mani Bua. I am so blessed to give you your first earth food when you were born. Seems like yesterday, and whenever I look at you, you're the most beautiful Betu ever. My favorite one in that front. We have seen you in so many different phases. I've seen you how cute and adorable. That quality still remains, but maybe cute will replace with beauty now. You have the best of beauty and brains from both your parents, and I have seen you take an interest in so many such a spectrum of varied interests. I am so proud of you. I enjoy spending time with you, be it the curly hair journey or the curly girl methods and whatnot. And then it's such a pleasure to look at you, to understand your thinking. And all the best, Betu, and the best of everything that you wish for yourself as well. All the best for your journey, and just keep the uniqueness that you are you. Love you again. Don't want to be emotional on the camera, but
Hi Anika Betu, wish you a very very happy graduation day. 18 साल पहले मैं और मणि बुआ LA आए थे, and then you were born. तब से आज तक we have seen you in so many stages of your life, so many good moments. हम लोग ने तुम्हारे साथ share किया. Those are all things that we'll always cherish for a long time. मेरा best moment था तुम्हारे साथ जब हम लोग सब स्विट्ज़रलैंड गए थे और मैंने तुम्हारा एक एकदम बहुत ही प्यारा फोटोग्राफ खींचा था. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज माय probably the best picture till that time मैंने जो निकाला था. but wish you a very very happy graduation. तुम खूब फूलो फलो, खूब खुश रहो, मम्मी पापा का बात भी सुनो. All right, okay, bye.
Hi Anka, happy graduation. Usually Alok Mamu makes fun of my time management skills, but yet here he is doing a last second video on you graduating, celebrating your graduation. And it's not really your fault though, right? Because COVID hit, everyone's staying at home. You can get to walk the stage of the graduation ramp like everyone else and receive their diploma in front of everyone else, kind of like I did and so many others did. And you kind of missed out on that. But I guess here's my commencement speech. Through all of this, situation, there's so much upside. There's so much potential, and we're gonna be the generation that actually changes everything. We're gonna be the generation that actually steps up our game, makes the big plays, so that all of us can have a better future. And you're part of that team, right? And so much good is gonna come. I know that you're gonna do big things. So keep your chin up, and just enjoy this day. Happy graduation. Bye.
Happy graduation day, Anika. I hope you the best wishes of all, and may you graduate well, and may you come into a good college.
Hi Anika, we are so happy to see you grow from a tiny baby we knew to now getting ready for the college. Man, time flies and the next big chapter for you in your life is going to start. So I would say work hard, party hard, and stay grounded and enjoy what you do in what is going to be one of the most important and memorable part of your life.
हाय अनिका, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बेटू इतने अच्छे यूसी में जाने के लिए. आपने हम सबको हमेशा बहुत बहुत प्राउड फील करवाया है एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फॉर यू. ऐसे ही लविंग, केयरिंग, रिस्पेक्टफुल, हम्बल, काइंड ह्यूमन बीइंग बने रहना और खूब मस्ती करना, खूब पढ़ाई करना. स्टे सेफ फ्रॉम कोरोना एंड दारू ऑल्सो. लव यू.
गुड लक. अच्छे से बोलना ना. गुड लक अनिका तो बोल दे कम से कम. गुड लक अनिका.
Good luck in college.
Hi Anika. Congratulations on getting into UC Irvine. We wish you the very best. You're now going to soon leave home. अभी तो फिलहाल ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हो, लेकिन soon you're going to be leaving home and making a ton of friends at UC Irvine. We wish you the very best. खूब मस्ती करना. Make sure you're having a lot of fun while you're at school, but at the same time make sure पढ़ाई पे focus रहे and you're doing exceptionally well. We are very very proud of you. One piece of advice I'll give, and Dipesh uncle will not give you a video message without some advice. Make a tremendous amount of friends. Have a great amount of fun. Living by yourself has a lot of lessons to it. Learning to live alone and learning to be a lot more responsible. There's a lot of fun. There's a lot of things to learn there. But anytime you have any kind of trouble, anytime you find yourself in a situation where you don't know what to do and you need reliable input, 1-800 Mommy Papa is the answer. Those are the only two people in the world who are going to want for you. They are not going to want anything from you. Everybody else in the world, whether it is friends, really good friends, great friends, they all want something from you. Mommy and Papa are always going to want for you. So that's the only thing I'll end this message with. Wish you the very best. We love you. And I'll let Shweta auntie talk.
Hi Anika, congratulations. We are very happy for you, and I'm sure your parents are too because you're going to be in California. We miss you a lot. I wish I was there with you to, wish you and spend some time with you before you head for college. I'm really proud of you. Good luck.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye. Good luck.
Hi Anika, how are you? It's a great moment that you're going to college. I can't believe, 18 years ago I just remember holding you in my hands, and here you are going to college. So great, it's a very important milestone. I wish you all the best, so make sure you take the best out of it and work harder and enjoy harder. Just take care of yourself. We are always there for you. So all the best. Take care. Bye.
Hi Anika, I don't know if you remember us, but we saw you when you were very little. You have gone from cute to a beautiful and have turned into such a smart young woman. So proud of you for your UCR1. We know you are going to do great things. Don't forget to have lots of fun after COVID is over. You deserve it.
Hi Anika.
All the best for your new venture to the university.
Oh gosh, little girl is going to university. I still remember we celebrated your birthday.
In Geneva.
Yes, in Geneva, that's right.
Second birthday.
Second birthday, yes. Time really flies. So beta, all set for your university? Good. So I think go there, enjoy your life, and this is kind of a going to be very beautiful phase in your career and in your life. So enjoy as much you can, and yes, there will be few challenges as well on the way. I know that you can always overcome those challenges.
And hopefully next year we are coming over, and of course we'll meet then.
All right, beta. Chillax. Bye.
Hello Anika, best wishes and good luck for your new phase of life. Time flies, and देखते देखते आप सब लोग इतने बड़े हो गए कि कॉलेज में पहुंच गए. Very best wishes from all of us. Have fun, enjoy your life, and do well. Good luck.
Hello Anika Didi, hope you have a great time in your new uni, even though things may be a little bit weird right now.
All the best Anika beta, be happy.
Hi Anika, I just wanted to say congrats, and I'm so glad you're making the most out of this super weird situation. But I'm sure things are going to work out for you. You're talented and you're skilled, so you'll excel at everything you put your mind towards in the future. Good luck and lots of love.
Hey Anika, congratulations for getting your choicest course in the college. I hope you make the best out of your college education. Believe me, this is the one of the difficult times that comes in every parent's life, where they have to let go their children so that they can make their mark in the world. I hope you achieve the best out of your college, and may all your dreams come true. I would say congratulations and all the very best to you. Stay happy, all the best.
Congratulations.
Hi Anika, this is SP Uncle here. So a big girl now, huh? Off to a new journey, new phase of life. So I'll say a very good wishes from our side. Enjoy the freedom, enjoy the independence. But obviously this comes with additional responsibilities. But I'm sure you're very capable of handling all that. So yeah, good luck. And you know what? If Dad is not around, you'll get the toast.
Hello Anika, this is Neeta Auntie here. Hope you remember me. Time flies so quick. You're off to uni now, entering a new phase of life. Good luck for your future as you take on the challenges of new college life. Enjoy, have fun, and wish you all the best and have a successful year ahead. Lots of love, Anika.
Hello, well done for getting into uni. Good luck.
Yeah, good luck for getting into uni and best wishes for the future.
Congratulations, my beautiful Anika, for a rock-solid victory. And this is Ranu Masi, and I still remember the time where you were born. You were the princess of the entire community, all of us. You're the first princess, and you'll always remain to be. And as you embark on the next journey, remember you can be anything you want to be. You are in the best place, you're going to the best university, you have amazing parents and support, and you have a great mind. So keep it focused. ये गाना तुम्हारे लिए. आज तू ऊपर आसमान नीचे, आज तू आगे जमाना है पीछे, आज तू ऊपर आसमान नीचे, झूमे जा मौज में रुकना ना जान जा, देखो ये तरंग रुकती है कहाँ, मैं भी तेरे संग इन लहरों पे चलूं, चलूं सीधी की उल्टी चलूं, आज तू ऊपर आसमान नीचे. Enjoy this journey, and congratulations Ritu, Alok, and all family and all of us here. It's a proud moment. I love you. Wish you the best.
Hey Anika, this is Neelu Masi and Ramesh Uncle. Can't believe you are going to college already. I still remember you as a little one. You're always happy, and your first steps on your first birthday. Yeah, we missed your growing years. But whenever I see your pics on Facebook, it's always emotional and happy. We love you and wish you all the best for your college and future. Come see us sometime.
All the best, Anika.
Bye.
Hi Anika, this is Natasha, Manish and Anya and Chloe. We are longtime fans of your parents. You might not remember us, we haven't seen you very often, but you all are always in our thoughts. Today we just wanted to congratulate you on starting college this fall. Your mom and I were just talking about it yesterday. We were saying how time seems to fly. It seems almost like yesterday that we were attending your mom's baby shower, then your first birthday. And here you are on this very important threshold of your life's journey.
Yeah, we wish you very best and on starting with college. I know it's been a kind of a different year. Had it not been the circumstances, we could have even celebrated together possibly. But we still hope that it's going to be a wonderful start of the journey for you. Congratulations, Anika. Congratulations, Alok, and Ritu, as well as Sana.
Good luck with everything, Anika. I hope this part of your life is exciting and all your dreams come true. We're all very, very proud of you.
Hi Anika, this is Anurag and Outro Auntie, and we wanted to wish you all the best for your college. We've met you only a couple of times, including when you turned 1. Your parents will be very proud of you, and I'm sure you'll make them even prouder in 4 years from now. I must say, Irvine is a very nice place to go to.
Happy going to college day to you. Happy going to college to